Explore historic Bangkok from the water. Cruise past iconic landmarks like the Grand Palace, Wat Arun and Wat Po, all while avoiding the city's traffic. It's an affordable, scenic and stress-free way to experience Bangkok. Start your journey at Saphan Taksin Skytrain Station. Head out through Exit 2 and take the stairs down to Sathorn Pier. With several jetties to choose from, it's important to know which one you need. To your right, across the canal, you'll find a jetty mainly used by locals for the regular cross-river ferry. This jetty also has a counter-offering canal boat tours, though you may have a smoother experience booking at Phra-Atit, Ta Tien or Rajini Piers, where canal boats also depart. Excursions to Wat Paknam and Bangkok Noi Canal are popular. If you're in a group of 3 or more, consider asking for a discount. The pier straight ahead is used by boats associated with nearby luxury hotels. If you are staying at one, you will probably already know that. Turn left into the pier building to find ticket kiosks for various river taxi options lined up just ahead on your right. The first of these sells tickets for e-smart boats. The waiting area is located directly behind the kiosk. Tickets for hop-on hop-off tourist boats are sold at the second counter. Waiting is to the right beyond the kiosks. At the final kiosk, buy tickets for Chao Phraya Express boats. Tourists should ask for an orange ticket, which despite the name will actually be white. Make sure to board a boat flying an orange flag at the back. It will stop at all piers likely to be useful to tourists. The waiting area is just beyond the kiosk. If you are offered a yellow ticket instead of an orange one, accept it and board a boat with a yellow flag. The options can be confusing, but for most people, the best approach is to simply take the next boat heading to your destination. Other considerations would include price, Chao Phraya Express boats, sitting on the top deck, hop-on hop-off tourist boats, and saving the planet, e-smart boats. Beyond the waiting areas, a free boat runs daily from 4:15 p.m. to at least 11 p.m, taking passengers to Asiatique, a shopping and entertainment complex a short way along the river. Finally, right at the end of the building, boats take passengers across to ICONSIAM shopping complex. Pay at the counter on the way to the jetty. When arriving at Sathorn Pier by boat, disembark, then head left to the exit. Cross the footbridge over the canal and turn right to the escalator leading up to Saphan Taksin Station. Unusually, it has only one platform. The majority of tourists will need to board trains heading away from the river in the direction of National Stadium. Wat Yannawa, the boat temple, is located a few meters downstream from the pier. To visit, walk away from the river to the main road and turn right. To enhance your experience, we've created a complimentary video with a guided commentary for your river cruise. Download it easily from our website, goingtobangkok.com, where you'll also find detailed videos of every pier along the route and much more helpful information.